Hi folks, this is the first time I'm standing in front of my own video camera without a mask. I'm at my backyard, and this is just only one of my garden pipes. One connects to my kitchen and one of this was there. And I've been using this for quite a long while, and a few days ago, after a pipe near the road was repaired, suddenly I'm getting this flow. Not much only. When I used to open this spool, it will reach up to that tripod there. But now it's just like somebody pissing, human piss. And I suspected that there are some blockage within 10 kilometers of this pipe, or 5 meters from here. And a friend of mine, Mr. Andog, also a YouTuber, introduced me to this drain cleaner, which is just a bit of a change, which you can put inside and turn around. And I'm gonna try and clean this pipe today, see if it's successful or not. By the way, it's not because of the long hose, because the same long hose, the hose are not tied up, it's not twisted, it's free. And I will be opening this one afterwards, and I will show you that the water is very slow. If I open this head, this is full flow, not closed anyway. It normally goes push, but we'll see. But anyway, this is the drain cleaner, bought in cheap shop, $2 shop you call it, or DIY shop. But the time is around 4 o'clock and it's just about to rain when I'm doing this video. Terrible weather in this part of the country. It will disturb you just when you are trying to take a video. Anyway, I quickly open this thing before the stupid rain turns up. It costs $10.99 from a shop at Migalong, Longongon. Welcome to Longongon, eh? Just quickly open this with a flick knife. It is. Open the cable tie. Bloody hell, the rain is coming. There you have, folks. Just when I'm about to try this thing, yeah, and at the end of it, you can turn it around like that. It's supposed to be. Okay, let me close the camera, but the bloody thing is raining. Ow. Kita hukum tuh. Yeah, my story here. So folks, actually I just missed showing you. I opened this one and look at this water. It's supposed to fly off, and there isn't any. So when I try to push this cable inside, it doesn't go inside the bend. So let me try again. Although the water, after I push it in, is very dirty and very muddy. So there must be a lot of mud inside this pipe. May I get everything? May I hope po to, mana tugo niya ako po. May ni kinama. Hanaton, no? How ba sa pangkuno yun? Now my sister is helping me. She's gonna turn the wire. Mana pa ika? Kinama. Hope po gamigit na ika. Kinama na po. Nung sumang sa dasom. Kana kam. Awi, ay natugi. Nga na patugo. Nga na papajalo. Patugo na pa di hudi hum sumang na di hud suang. Dei, kumahu si. Dei, naman pa san po. Kana ka hum. Mai nak mai kena. Pasal susukan kena ingkap. Tunggu nak mak. Ini tunggu. We are rotating this cable and it's not going inside. Rotating and pushing and it's not going inside. What the hell is this? It's not doing as expected. Look at this. Tunggu na pang pasusukan ko ning ka. Kasuang na napasuang na pa sa ben ni ham. Okay ni dah.
Nga na po rin manalo kung ay di ba kaya tali.
Ay paduli akak tali tanam na muktu. Ya semua ang ko ko dia ya ben ni ya am ko. Nang pada hiang si janjal aku kau ko mahi. Nah, kau tempat tu go.
Kung kami ito gawin niya L shape.
Ay ti hey go natin L shape ni ho.
L shape.
Wait, it's not going in. Pato sa sali semua ni ha ba? Dah tug na ka. Na, mugtug na. Pain ko ba ti tiya dito. No ko to semua. Pato semua hud ben.
Mga ipadalulul ko mga idaluwak sila.
Oh, hindi sebab gazon lah ko dia ba. Mo ni tiam. Ya au semua au kumihong semua.
Ang kami ko na pong
Tom bilang itu.
paminit at yaluwak din.
Oh, hindi mo kakaho ba bay? Not going in. So this is rubbish. Yeah, my sister is turning the other end and it's not going in. It's not going into the pipe. Yeah. Ikan ni semua sila bigay ha dah. Nak cuba apa ni? Patut dah kemanu temu letik kompor.
May awon na nasa na nakaswang?
Wala semua. Lupa dito. Apa dia patut dah tu? Apa dia semua? Nuno ni do you have to move for survive?
Nakapagigil din ho. Kahit na po na baki, nangyayalo
May kaya naman di other way betul? May kaya pabuhin mo. Mohon. Kasata kita. Pada awal semua hana pada mengokot hukum. Awal ni mampu. Mampu kabut kan ni kapan yang mampu kabut yang tiada dia. Elbow ni dia. Kabut ni elbow ni dia.
Hindi ba ada di panodo dan pon?
Ay tagal, kabut na pa dia.
Awala, kita mo pa binadaw babay no.
Iba di pui, kiba di pamusus. Iho. O ka ba dia munu? Pai todo dubo.
Ano pa ako na mana na mo ka. Hindi mga pa ito.
Yang lanjut ni. Aku dah semua. Pasuan perlu lagi sama cukup lah. Tolong nak masuk ke pais kamu pisau. Oh, gun samang na aw semua ni na. The water is even even for screwdriver. I've opened the drain here and it's clogged. Clogged with the rust. Right?
Namba na dawai di penusuk. Ya ha, dawai di
Clogged.
pagbuh kang pag di.
No ba ni jadi no kuang ke dia baik. No ba ni jadi dah semua song nah. Nak tambah ni kita semua song. Nak tagi kepada orang hud kubo. Aku dah senang ni semua angke dah kubo nadi. Nak kubo nadi. Nah. Si tiada kabel yang si tiada nak kabel. Kubo, nak penuh. Nak penuh dah kubo.
Men, nakakang ko dia togo.
Kumuha ni dia baja kay nasusong kan sibo.
Kabi pa di ba pay nao na namin sabat. Kabi pa di bago.
Pay naon sa baring ko.
Nyamin ka, habi.
Lihat ni ko body join. Patut pag kita ako hong niya waya ya change.
Nakasangka. Nako.
Uno ko niya na. Ay ba na di?
Ay ba na di?
Oh. Puno naman ato do. Na, dari ka di bag do kumuan. Natambahan ka di kumuan no bag. This pipe is well beyond repair. I wonder what clogs it inside. And this thing, the chain is not working. It's not.
Aw semua.
No.
Nasonsong ko so.
Oh, ti wire ti kudu. How effective. Tugon. Ini di tugon.
Ausong ko something na. Ausong ko na katapan niya intilon ko.
Ay, lo ko sa ko beram out tiga kamera. Minggaza tu di mnodong ali. The cable didn't work.